This video is going to show you how to use SmartMusic's virtual conductor feature, where you have the ability to play along with composer and conductor Brian Balmages. The link that you were provided by your teacher will bring you to this website here. When you click on the link, make sure that you're using a web browser on a laptop, because it does not work through the app for SmartMusic or in a browser on an iPad or a phone. It's just too small of a screen. So you're going to need to go ahead and find a time where you can use a laptop or maybe a desktop computer at home so you can see everything that is available through this feature. Once you click on the link, go ahead and scroll down. It's going to give you a list of the available pieces for you here that are sorted by the type of ensemble. So we have band pieces at the top and orchestra pieces at the bottom. And on the right-hand side, it's going to tell you how easy or hard the piece might be. So if your teacher has not assigned you a specific piece, you can go ahead and kind of gauge where you should start selecting pieces based on that difficulty level. So for today, I'm going to select Burst right here. And we're going to go ahead and select our instrument. So for now, let's pretend that we play the viola. And it's going to give you an updated link here to click on. Okay. Now, if you're having problems, like I said, please make sure you're paying attention to this text in bold where it says that it can only be accessed via the link below. It only works in Google Chrome, does not work on an iPad, and ad blockers need to be turned off. So if it's not working for you, maybe that will help you troubleshoot the problem. So go ahead and click that link. It's going to take a second just to load the application and to load the music. On the right-hand side, you're able to scroll through the entire piece. So if you want to practice before you are using any of the SmartMusic features, you can scroll through and see the entire piece. It's also a good way to kind of judge difficulty. But the other thing that you want to do is go ahead and when you click play, it's going to give you a count off, and then a video is going to pop up right here of Mr. Balmages, and you'll be able to play along with him. So let's go ahead and hit play so you can see that feature. So you can see that the measures are lighting up blue where you should be playing, and that little blue bar is actually moving along in the music where you should be. It automatically will set the music to change to the next line. So when you get to the bottom of the page, you're going to go ahead and go back up to the top and just read down to the bottom. So you actually don't need to scroll the page at all, which is very helpful as you're playing along, because as you know, you can't stop and play in the middle and then scroll down. That would make it very difficult. So SmartMusic takes care of all of that for you. Great. If you want to go ahead and try a different piece, all you're going to do is go back to the link that your teacher provided you and select a different piece. Happy practicing.